Okay, all right, everybody. This is a guided walkthrough for the Athena level from the Hades CTF game over at HackMyVM.eu. So in this level, we need to log in via SSH, and after we've done so, we can take a look at our environment. So for each one of these levels, there's going to be a mission.txt file that we can look at. So let's go ahead and read it. So it says in this mission, user Aura lets us use her new script. So Aura is the name of the user that we need to get access as to get to the next level. So we're currently working as the Athena level, as the Athena user. Okay, so what new script are we talking about? So we need to take a look at this script right here called ori_old.sh. Let's take a look at the script. So this is a bin bash script. Echo what? Read hackme. Okay, so it's going to echo the word what, and that's going to read user input into the hackme variable here. And then it's going to run the little if condition. So if hackme equals something, we don't know what it is, then exit. So it's looking for something that's going to cause the program to exit. So hackme, aura new pass, this is some sort of variable, and then to dev null. So this makes sure that we can't see error messages. So what is actually going on here? Let's talk a little bit about this. So I've got a little document here that talks about all these how to solve these levels. Okay, so this is Hades level number 15, Athena, and we're doing some script analysis here. So this script reads user input and saves it as the hackme variable, and then passes that input to the command noted above. So it passes it to hackme, so this is the name of the command, and then or a new pass with the additional argument to dev null, which means we don't see error content. So it turns out that or a new pass is a string. So this really complicates things a little bit because it's a string and not a file. There are certain commands we can use to read it and certain commands that we don't. So cat's not going to work. We just can't we can't pass cat over to it. The command we might assume to use is echo, as an echo password. But there's a filter in place like the one above here, so we can't use echo. So this filter makes it impossible to use the echo command. So we need an alternative echo-like command. So a command that's kind of like echo, but not actually echo. So let's go over and talk about what we actually are trying to do here. So if we do sudo l, it says that we've got special permissions. Okay, so user Athena may run the following commands on Hades. So as the Aura user with no password, we can run bin bash, and we can run this particular script. So re.sh. We can try to run the script, and we know a little bit about the script based on the old version over here that we just took a look at. Okay, so let's run sudo u aura bin bash c pwned aura ori.sh. Okay, it asks what. So if we just try to use the cat command here, nothing happens. So we could, so we know that whatever we pass in as the input is going to try to read. Is going to try to read the string that is the aura new pass. So cat doesn't work because aura new pass is a string and not a file. So some people have suggested some commands. So we could try head. So head doesn't work. We can try less. Less doesn't work either. So we run the script. The script is going to ask for a command to run with the string. We can do printf, and we can get the password this way. So this is the password for the next level. So the problem in this level is that aura new pass is a string, so we can't use certain commands. So echo would work, but there's a filter in place that makes sure that that echo doesn't get passed through. So if we do a little bit of research, there are two other commands that we can use that serve a similar function to echo, which are script and printf. So we use this to get the password. Okay, so everybody, that was a guided walkthrough for the Athena level from the Hades CTF game from HackMyVM.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons in the video and leave a comment underneath the video. Thank you very much. And until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.